Alright, these are going to be the elevators at the new Island Tower at Disney's Polynesian Village Resort at Walt Disney World in Florida. And I believe this is Disney's first Gen 3 installs. Okay, up to 10.
Floor.
You're on 10.
Going down.
Right down to 1, door close button works. Your cab view, these are very nice elevators. These also have high ceilings too. These are your buttons, your magic band reader, capacity is 3,500, this is elevator before, and your floor indicator.
First.
And here are 1.
Going up.
Now we're back up to 10 and get a view.
Floor.
And here are 10.
Going down.
We'll get a view from the 10th floor of this tower. There goes the elevator. And here's your view from the 10th floor. Not sure what that building is over there. Overall, a pretty nice view from the top floor of this newly built tower. There's the parking lot and there's the monorail tracks as well. Here's your directory of the tower. One your set of steps. Linen room. And here's your view from this side. Got a very nice view of Seven Seas Lagoon. You got Disney Contemporary Resort right there along with the Bay Lake Tower. And further out in the distance, you can see towards the iDrive Metro area. I apologize for all the zooming. There's the Grand Floridian Resort, and right there is Magic Kingdom. Oops. There we go. Get a still picture of that guest floor. Overall, this is a very nice hotel, or a new additional tower of the Polynesian Village Resort at Walt Disney World. And now, let's go take a ride back down the elevator. Garbage cans, or garbage can. And we have the same elevator we just came up in.
Going down.
Do love that chime.
First floor.
And here we're back to the lobby. Let me get this door for you. Yep, you're welcome. Alright, so we're going to watch the elevator close up. I'm only going to ride one elevator since the other 3 are locked off because you'll have to use the magic band to go up. Anyways, those were the new elevators at the Island Tower at Disney's Polynesian Village Resort. And all I can say is now, that'll be it.